Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I have this beautiful 2019 Infiniti Q70L. I've been with Infiniti for close to 17 years and the Q70L is one of my favorites. One day I would like to own one of these. I have a smaller G35, but I love the Q70. And 2019 was actually the last year of the Q70. Maybe Infiniti will come out with a new one eventually, but I think the Q70 is probably one of Infiniti's most misunderstood products. I think it's a real underdog. It's kind of overshadowed by a lot of popular vehicles in this segment, and it is a very competitive segment. These mid-size luxury sedans are competing with the 5 Series BMW and the Mercedes Benz E-Class and the Lexus the GS Series. So those are vehicles that get a lot of automotive press. They have great lease deals on them. I think Infiniti, now that this is a discontinued product and we don't sell any new ones, I can be a little bit more honest about it. I think Infiniti kind of neglected the Q70 for a long time, and that's why, you know, sales every year would be slower and slower. By 2019 we were maybe selling maybe 1 or 2 new ones a year, so there's not that many pre-owned ones, and they really didn't change it much. So basically, the Q70 evolved from the M Series. The M Series was redesigned in 2009, and it really didn't change till 2019. They changed the name to Q70 in 2014, but mostly it was just a name change. It got a little bit of a facelift. It got some minor revisions. They added a long wheelbase model like this one in 2015, so there are some, you know, things that they upgraded. But if you sat inside in 2009 and looked at the dashboard, the steering wheel, the interior is going to look almost exactly the same. And you know, maybe now you're thinking, well, I might be talking you guys out of buying one of these. It's you know, why would I buy one of these if they neglected it for so long? Well, you know, it also works in a different way. Me, I don't think it's dated. I still think, even by today's standards, it's a beautifully designed interior. It holds up very well. And if they've been making the same thing since 2009, by 2019, I can probably guarantee they've worked out all the kinks. These things are made in Japan. These are really reliable vehicle. We've seen, you know, the M Series of, you know, 150, 200 plus thousand miles, 300,000 miles, still running strong. It's a very well engineered vehicle, and that's probably one reason why I'd want to buy one of these, because unlike some of the German competition, when they get up to 100,000 miles and start having problems and start rattling and stuff like that, this Q70 is probably going to still be tight as a drum, and it's going to have very little issues. So that's why I think this 2019 Q70 is a great car for someone to consider, especially someone who wants a luxury car, but they really want something that's going to last a long time. It's going to have low ownership costs and not cost a fortune to repair, and most importantly, not break. And the Q70 is certainly that. Heated and cooled front seats, beautiful leather interior, moonroof, navigation, backup camera, 360-degree round view monitor. Original MSRP $57,130. It has a 20-inch wheel and tire package, and this only has 4,897 miles. I purchased this, also heated steering wheel. I purchased this from Infiniti Financial Service. I believe it was a corporate demo, so one of the corporate executives gets a Infiniti to drive. That's one of the perks of working for Infiniti Corporate. Look at those beautiful 20-inch wheels. You also get sport brakes of those 20-inch wheels. Well, with the long wheelbase, you have almost limo-like rear seat accommodations. The rear seats are also heated. Soft closed doors. You also have a soft closed trunk as well. This features intelligent all-wheel drive. Rear-wheel drive is standard. All-wheel drive is optional. And the Q70 is built on a sports car platform. It's built on the same platform as the G37, the Q50, the Q60. Even the Nissan 350 and 370Z are built on a shorter version of this advanced front midship platform. So even though this is a big luxury car, it's also very, very fun to drive. You'll be really impressed by the sporty performance. And the 3.7 liter V6, which is an amazingly reliable engine, won lots of awards and accolades. These things go 300,000 miles, 200,000 miles on a very regular basis, and it makes close to 330 horsepower. So this thing is very fast, very fun to drive, amazing build quality, Japanese made. If you're looking for a fantastic luxury sedan, the Q70 is a very unique model. A little bit bigger than a midsize, a little bit smaller than a full size. It's one of the best luxury sedan bargains out there in the pre-owned market, and this one's certified pre-owned. All the benefits you normally get is a brand new Infiniti, 6 years, 75,000 miles certified warranty, complimentary Infiniti loaner cars, qualified buyers, well-qualified buyers have available low-rate financing. The list of benefits goes on and on. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.